In today's video, I will show you how to create group short message service or SMS so that you can send messages to many in just one tap using your Android phone. Update the valuable people around you timely. This is a very quick method to reach others. Watch till the end of this short video tutorial to start connecting to your contacts without an internet connection. Coming up next in JCode. On your phone, open your SMS Messenger. Therein, create new message. Then select a contact. Now, you can add more contacts by tapping the Add More icon. Select the other contacts so you can disseminate information to all of them in just one tap. Now, if you're done selecting, then tap the check icon at the upper right corner. Then, you will be redirected right back to where you can create a new message. If you're ready to send it, just tap the send button. In one tap, your message will be sent to all the contacts you selected. You can also check the contacts you selected that are included in the group message. For each group you created, you can pin it at the top, so you can easily find it. That's all for today's video. Comment down below if you have questions or requests that you would like us to work on. Subscribe to stay updated for more videos. Do not forget to like and share to spread this tip and trick for your family and friends.